Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one. Now let's tap on edit contact and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add photo and we can either take a photo and then our device will open the camera app or choose the photo from the gallery. So I'll choose this option. Now let's find the photo we'd like to use. And got it. And right now in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we'll see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle, which you can also resize, is responsible for it. So this is what you will see after saving the contact. You can rotate the picture, it's up to you, and if you're happy with the results, tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like after saving, after applying the photo. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.